Okay, so it's been cloudy for about 2 months now in the state of Washington, and finally, we get to break out the telescope. Check this out.
This is my astrophotography setup. I'm using a William Optics Zenith Star 81 refractor telescope paired with an ASI 2600mm cooled astronomy camera. You may notice the weight in the bottom. This gives stability to the entire setup, just in case the wind blows and knocks the telescope around. This will help to make sure that it stays balanced. It's a little unconventional, but it works. Now, we just have to wait for the sky to get dark.
Tonight, we're going to be taking pictures of the Rosette Nebula. If you're new around here, you might know that this is one of my all-time favorite deep sky objects. Located about 5,000 light years away in the constellation Monoceros, this is truly a spectacular deep sky object. So what makes the Rosette Nebula so special? Well, it's a big cloud of gas and dust. Picture it like a cosmic nursery where new stars are being born, illuminating the surrounding material and creating those intricate details that we like to see. This nebula is over 100 light years in diameter, with reds and pinks coming from the glowing hydrogen gas. The presence of ionized hydrogen produces deeper red colors.
Since the Rosette Nebula is still too low in the sky to start imaging, currently I'm pointed at Pleiades. This helps me get the most out of the night sky. Now that the telescope is pointed over to the Rosette Nebula, you may notice that there's clouds and smoke in the way. Even though this is the case, I can throw these frames away later if I need to. So why does the telescope need to be running all night? Well, this is so we can capture as much data as possible. The resulting image is actually a composition of stacking multiple frames on top of each other. This helps reduce noise in the final resulting image. Here is a single 5-minute exposure using the H-alpha filter. You'll notice that it's very grainy and very noisy. However, when we look at the stacked image with 2.5 hours of data, you'll see that there's much less noise. If you're watching this on a phone, you may not notice the difference, but if you zoom in, the difference is very obvious.